The 2 Tyres Guide to the Metzeler Z8 Interact. Metzeler Z8 is a brilliant tyre that should be on any road rider's shortlist. While it's no longer Metzeler's top-line sports touring tyre, it's still in production over a decade after being introduced because it's still great and a top seller. This tyre warms up quickly, is excellent in wet conditions, offers great grip in both the wet and dry, handles very predictably, and it returns decent mileage. What more do you need? It's one of the few tyres that we can confidently say would suit pretty much any UK road rider. Sure, if you want slightly better performance in all weathers, look to the Roadtec 01. And if you want more dry grip, check out the M9RR. But if you're riding on a sports bike or tourer throughout the year, these are an excellent choice. If you ride a sub 500cc road bike, there are plenty of size options to fit a lot of smaller models. They don't make these in adventure bike sizes, but the Roadtec 01 is available in some adventure bike fitments and is a similar, albeit slightly more premium tyre. But if you're commuting, touring, or doing a bit of B-road blasting, the Z8 is well worth a look. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.